Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how you can enable a dark screen or dark background in your web browser, whether it's Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So first of all, go to the web store, the Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. And then there, look for the extension named Dark Reader. This is one of the best extensions for dark mode. So click on Add to Chrome, and the extension will take a few seconds to add. There we go, pin it. And now, if we go ahead and navigate over to the main page, you can clearly see that we have a dark background applied throughout our web browser. It really makes the interface look much more modern and easier on the eyes. So if we want to make it completely dark, like full black, click on it and then click on contrast. And by increasing the contrast, it will become 100% black. And if you reduce the contrast, you can adjust it to your needs. So first of all, and you can also change the brightness. And if you want, you can turn it off and it'll be all white again. And if you want to use the white one, then click on light. But for less brightness, then click on brightness and things will. So you can play around with this extension to suit your needs. And if it's daytime and the light is low outside, you can adjust the brightness. But at night, you can use the dark mode and set the contrast. This is one. You can also set the sepia and the grayscale. So this is one of the best extensions to use dark mode in your web browser. If you like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.